Guys, we made it to New Zealand and this is going to be our home for the next week. Let me show you because it's so pretty. Look, this is the dining area and 4 people can sit in here. You have these 2 seats, then you can turn around this seat and also turn around this seat. Now, cooking, simple. And then you can wash everything, get water. For me, this is always the best part when you're cooking. So let me show you the amazing... Guys, what are you doing out there? I haven't finished showing you everything. Come on, come in. Let's see the rest. So as I was saying, guys, how amazing is when you can do that. We have a fridge in here with food. I know we have food. One of my favorite parts is that you have a toilet and a shower. And basically the way it works is that you put that up there. You have all this storage and you have a little curtain and the bed. So 4 people can sleep in here. You'll have 2 beds. Right now I've got it set up, as you can see, just for me, myself and I. This is one of my favorite parts. You open this and you have amazing views. So, what do you say? Do you want to join me in this amazing trip? Let's go!